This is Lenovo TAB M8, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the calendar app itself. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. While the app is opened, choose the date that you would like to create an event for. So let's say I'll go with 28, or rather select this date. Then tap this plus sign to your bottom right, choose an event option, and at the event creation menu you can set the title for your event, time frames for it, make it repetitive or reoccurring or not, change the time zone, invite some other event participants, add the location, set notification preferences, or choose when you would like to be reminded about this event by the system automatically, Then you can add description, make this event private or public, and change its display mode from busy to free and vice versa. Then save. And here you have it. While tapping at the event, you can see its details, edit those details, or even delete the event entirely. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.